addition of fraction is the lesson 1.A, and this is our lesson 1.B. Okay. In our first lesson, the addition of dissimilar fractions, so it's very easy for you to understand our lesson today, which is subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Let's have a review of what we had last time. So like fractions are fractions with same denominators, so you can add or subtract fraction by simply adding the numerators or subtracting the numerators, then copy its denominator. Example, we have 3/5 and 1/5. They are called as similar or like fractions since they have both 5 as denominator. So how are we going to subtract this? By simply 3 minus 1, then copy the denominator. So we have 2/5. So what if we have dissimilar denominators? Okay, the same question we had in our lesson 1.8. So example, we have 5/6 and 4/5. They are dissimilar fractions. How are we going to subtract? Now, remember the given. But before we add or subtract fractions with different denominators, you must first find its equivalent fractions with the same denominators like this. So our step 1, find the smallest multiple of both number in the denominator. Ano ba yung given natin kanina? We have 5/6 and 4/5. Subtract it. So our denominators are 6 and 5. So sabi, let us list down its multiple. We have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. Now, what is the smallest multiple that is common to the sets of numbers? That is 30. Therefore, the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30, and the LCD of 4/5 and 5/6 is 30. Now, step number 2 is to rewrite the fraction as equivalent fraction with the LCM as the denominator. Since we already know the LCM, so we're going to use the LCM as its common denominator. Our problem is the numerator. Let us rewrite this. The given. How are we going to find the numerator? The same with the process of addition of dissimilar fraction. We have 30 divided by 6 is 5 times 5 equals 25. And the second one is 30 divided by 5 is 6 times 4 equals 24. Now we have here similar fractions. We have 25 over 30 minus 24 over 30. Let us now subtract its numerator. The answer is 1 over 30. Since our numerator is already 1, meaning it is already in its simplest form. Next example. Find the difference of 7/9 minus 4/6. Again, remember the given. We have 7/9 minus 4/6. The first step is to get its multiple. So we have 9, multiples of 9, and multiples of 6. What is common between them? 18. Therefore, the LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. Also, the LCD of 7/9 and 4/6 is 18. Since we have here the LCD, let us rewrite the fraction into similar or equivalent fraction. So we have 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 7 is 14. Second numerator is 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 4 is 12. Now just simply subtract the numerator. We have 2 over 18. But remember, we always express our answer in lowest term. Since 2 and 18 can be both divided by 2, the answer is 19. Okay, so next example, find the difference of, okay, we have here a mixed number, 4 3/4 minus 2 2/7. So the same with addition, when we are going to subtract mixed number, just subtract the whole number and follow again minus 4 3/4 minus 2 2/7. We have here a mixed number. Now let us find out on how to subtract mixed numbers. So we have here the denominators 4 and 7. The multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, and so on. And the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So here, the LCD or the LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. Also, the LCD of 2 3/4 and 4 2/7 is 28. Now, let us rewrite this into equivalent fraction. As you can see, we just affix the whole number here. So now, let us find the numerator. 28 divided by 4 is 7 times 3 is 21. We have 28. 28 divided by 7 is 4 times 2 is 8. So now, let us subtract whole number. We have 4 minus 2 is 2. 21 minus 8 is 13. Therefore, the answer is 2 and 13 over 28. It is already in lowest term. Okay, next example. Let's have the next example. Find the difference of 9 2/5 minus 6 8/9. First is to get the LCM of the denominator, which is 5 and 9. So we have here the multiples of 5 and the multiples of 9. What is common between them? That is 45. The LCM of 5 and 9 is 45. Also, the LCD of 4 2/5 and 6 8/9 is 45. Now, let us rewrite this. We write the fractions as equivalent fractions. Let us find the numerator. 45 divided by 5 is 9 times 2 is 18. We have 45 divided by 9 is 5 times 8 is 14. Now, as you can see here, we have 18 minus 40. Can we subtract 40 from 18? No. Since 40 is greater than 18, we cannot subtract it. So 18 will borrow from 9. It will become 8. And 18 will become 63. Saan galing yung 63? We just add 45 to 18. 18 plus 45 equals 63. That is the shortcut way. Pero, ang totoong hiniram mo kay 9 is 1 whole, which is equal to 45 over 45. So, 18 plus 45 equals 63. Copy the common denominator, which is 45. Minus 6 and 40 over 45, the answer is 2 and 23 over 45. So that is what we call subtraction with regrouping. Okay? So you try this. So that's for today, and hope you have learned from my video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, pasubscribe na po sa video ko para ganahan po akong gumawa. Okay? At the same time, sana nakatulong po ako sa inyo. Bye-bye!